Intelligence community. Well, this is just a quick update. I did a video on adding tow mirrors to my truck. I can't tell you how disappointed I am. They're going back. The vibration of the mirror itself at, I'm doing about 72 right now, is horrible. It's unacceptable. As I look at the both mirrors, especially the passenger side, you can't, it's not, to me it's not even safe to see the vibration in that mirror. For those of you that might say that I didn't tighten up the arm enough, the connection to the door with those 3 nuts, it is definitely tight. Any tighter would have pulled the studs out. So it's not the mirror frame assembly, it is the mirror itself. It's definitely vibrating within. It's so bad on the passenger side that I consider it to be unsafe. So they're definitely going back. Fortunately, I buy most of my stuff through Amazon Prime. Amazon is extremely good for returns. I don't like all the hassle of a return. So they're going back. I've already ordered some other ones that are similar in manufacture. I hope they're better. Anyway, give me a thumbs up for the struggles I'm going through. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.